Welcome to Santan Valley. Today we are in the Edgewood community by K.Hovnanian, and we're going to be taking a look at the Warren floor plan, which this floor plan is going to have the classic look. We've looked at the Frankfurt with the Loft look. We've looked at the Pasadena with the Farmhouse look. This is going to be the classic look. The Warren floor plan, 2,568 square feet, comes standard with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. There is a 5th bedroom option where the dining room is. Let's go ahead, go inside and take a look and see what we think. Okay, thanks for joining us at the Warren floor plan out in Edgewood in Santan Valley by K.Hovnanian. One thing I want to point out before we finish up, one of the options in this floor plan, this has the window option in the model, but it does have an optional 12-foot multi-slider door. And then the villas section, which is what we're in right now with the Pasadena floor plan and the Warren floor plan, these come on 6,500 square foot lots. So we're going to go ahead outside. I'm going to show you what that lot looks like. This is one of the bigger floor plans. in the villa section, so it's going to feel like the lot's smaller because the house is bigger. But in the meantime, don't forget when you come out to the community to bring your real estate agent with you. I mentioned this in all of my new construction videos, but it's super important because you need to remember that the salespeople in the office, as kind as they are and as helpful as they are, they're there to represent the builder's best interest. They are not there to represent your best interest. It may seem like it because they are so friendly, but they work for the builder. So you want to make sure you bring your agent with you on your first trip out. Let's go ahead and go outside. Again, 2,568 square feet, one-story homes. All of them in this community are one-story homes, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. Let's go see what this looks like. Like I said, 6,500 square foot lots. This is almost a 2,600 square foot home, so the lot does look and feel smaller, but it's because you have a bigger home. It's not because the lot is any smaller. Thank you again for joining me on the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.